Hello designers and creatives, and welcome to my space. My name is Son of Man and this is Create Visions in Pixel on YouTube. On today's video we are going to be learning how to get a vector like this on Pixel, how you can vectorize something like this on Pixel. This is a Google Drive logo. I'm very sure that you are conversant with this logo, so this is what we're going to be covering in this video tutorial. In case this is your first time viewing our channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video and let others learn from our content too. Thank you, and let's get started. So the first thing I need to do is I'm going to go here and then make sure I turn this off, okay? And then I'm going to start afresh. So just watch and see how I do it. I'm going to show you step-by-step strategies that I take. So the first thing you need to do here is when you import your sketch into your screen is that you need to go and then pick your grid lines. Okay, you can see you will go and select this and then begin to arrange your grid lines to fit into the position that you want to at each and every point that you want to place your BEIZER points on. So this is how it is. Now you see at this point, okay, I made a cross here, because my BEIZER points are going to appear on these places. So if you watch very well, this is what I do. So the reason why I do that is what I'm going to show us now. So I'm going to pick my BEIZER and then close my loop and then reduce my stroke to around 2. This is not new, it's what we always do all the time. So then after this, I'm going to start my vectorization. I think I made it now, but okay. I'm going to start my vectorization, but before you proceed, make sure you select your magnet and turn this one off. Okay, select your magnet and then you begin to drag your BEIZER lines. Okay, this is it. If you see, as I bring it here, it got it magnetized. So this is the reason why you must use your grid line anytime you're making your logos. So just follow me up step by step and see how I do it. Thank you. So after this, now I'm going to go here and reduce my stroke, then go to my color and then pick the color yellow, which is the one I just vectorized now, right? So after this, we have gotten this one done. So the next thing I need to do is I'm going to go to the top here. You're going to see where they write copy. This is copy icon. So I'm going to tap on copy to make a copy of it. Then I'm going to select the positioning so that I can easily move it about. Now I'm going to select my rotate. Now I can rotate it this way. Okay, I think we are okay. Then after this, I'm going to go to color for this and then go to my color picker. I'm going to pick green color. I think this is it. Okay, here we have this green color. Sorry. Now I'm going to go back and then select my transposition so that I can start from here to transpose it again. And the last one you need to do is we are going to go here and then click a copy, click on transposition and then rotate it back to this normal, right? So after this, we are going to go back and select our transposition again and then start dragging our points again. And this is how we achieve this. So for this color, we are going to select it. It's going to be blue color. So with this now, we are going to work on it. So this is how we got to this point. Now we have finally achieved our vector under one BEIZER. So initially I used to open each BEIZER, create each BEIZER differently for each of the vectors, but now we have seen that we can actually put them all together in one place like this. So after this, now I'm going to check. Okay, now I have my vector. The remaining one, okay, if you observe Google Drive very well, there is this part is red, right? So we are going to see how we can actually get this part to be red color. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here and then make sure I lock it. Okay, let's just delete this part. Okay, now I'm going to make sure I lock it. Now I'm going to make a copy of this one that I locked. Okay, I'm going to go to my color and select it. It's already red, right? So this is it, and this is what we have now. So I'm going to drag it to the point, drag it to the center. Okay, and then I'm going to use my positioning tool to adjust it. Okay, now I'm going to go to my mask. Don't worry, on a very good day I'm going to show us another way we can actually create vector using mask and shape tool only. Okay, I'm going to go to my mask and then turn this on and then turn it out. So, and we have to create another crossing points for each of these points so that we can actually vectorize that part. I mean, mask it using whatever it is. So this is how I do it now. In case you're wondering why I'm now bringing out my grid lines again, so this is the reason why I'm doing it. So this is how we got to this point, right? And then it was perfect. So now we can go back here and then group our vectors together, and then this is how we got our Google Drive logo. I hope this video helps. Please, in case it helped, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share our video, and let others learn from our content. We have dropped series of videos similar like this that will help you get to understand how PixelLab logo vectorization works. Thank you guys for watching. I'm still Son of Man, and see you on my next video. Goodbye from here. Namaste.